Hey guys, this is Sanjay from FTC Team 7477, Super 7. Today, we're going to talk about private constructors and factory methods in Java. So sometimes you want the most control over object creation. Private constructors force users to go through factory methods. To show you what that looks like, we'll do a quick code demo. So, start for class. Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be main, it's supposed to match your class name. Let's move into the main method. Okay, let's run this code. Save it. And it doesn't throw any argument exceptions. So this is essentially an example that would kind of show how your factory works. Essentially, you would just refer everything back to your class name, which is main. This reference a lot throughout this program. All your constructors are private, which means that you don't need a direct new keyword. And the factory method enforces key Java rules. This method's common in APIs and libraries. Thank you guys for watching this Super 7 programming video, and see you next time.